And as Australians continue to celebrate Australia Day, Tropical Cyclone Watch and Warnings for the Pilbara coast have been cancelled, and Riley is expected to track towards the west-southwest and parallel to the coast. This is the latest from the Force 13's AU channel, and the cancelled zone is Wind Creek to Exmouth, including Geographe, Dampier and Onslow. Category 2 sustained winds in a centre of 110 kilometres per hour with wind gusts to 155 kilometres an hour. Located within 45 kilometres to 17.2 degrees south, 117.3 degrees east. It's 395 kilometres north of Geographe, 620 kilometres north-northeast of Exmouth, moving west-southwest at 6 kilometres an hour, and it's expected to move parallel to the Pilbara coast. And here's a look at the Bureau's tracking chart. And this is a live webcam view, swellnet.com of the Margaret River, WA. Bureau Meteorology has a gale warning in place for the Pilbara coast east, Pilbara coast west. Strong wind warning for the West Kimberley, Gascoyne, Geraldton, Lancelin, Perth, Bunbury, Geographe coast, and the one for Ningaloo Coast has been cancelled. Now we have a look at the BSCH website. It's the GFS wind probability model, and we're looking at Tropical Cyclone Cat 2 Riley, and this is from 1400 hours today through to the same period tomorrow. Joint Typhoon Warning Centre has downgraded to medium, invests 95p. Now we have a look at the upper level divergence. We have 90S, Cocos Keeling Island, and the wind shear. Actually, I thought the wind shear might have been a little bit stronger. However, the 24-hour shear tendency over the last 24 hours, and my favourite, the 850 millibar vorticity. Now we have a look at various tracks and the various models and their colours on the right hand side of the screen. And they really don't favour a recurve back towards the coast. Now we have a look at the late cycle intensity guidance, and the majority of models have it as a Cat 2 on the AU scale, on the Sanford-Simpson Hurricane scale, Cat 1. Now here's the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre's current track, and then we'll have a look at the life of Riley along with the NOAA floaters. And in the meantime, Joy Typhoon Warning Centre has it 366 nautical miles northeast of Lee-Moth. Tracking west-southwest at 4 knots. Animated multispectral satellite imagery shows well-organised convective banding mapping into the centre. The initial position is based with fair confidence on the wrapping in the MSI loop. Environmental analysis indicates the system is tracking in an area moderate to high, 20 to 30 knot vertical wind shear. That is for now. Offset by strong westward and poleward outflow and warm 30-32 Celsius sea surface temperatures. I like some of the wording in their advisory. Somebody's got a bit of a sense of humour. However, the previous central dense overcast feature has dissolved into convective banding, and the high vertical wind shear is apparent in the displacement between the low-level circulation and convection aloft seen in microwave imagery. Tropical Cyclone 11S or Riley will continue to track westward to west-southwest along the northern periphery of a strong subtropical ridge to the south. However, after 12 hours, increasing vertical wind shear, diminishing outflow, cooling sea surface temperatures will cause the cyclone to gradually weaken, leading to dissipation by the 120-hour mark. Dynamic model guidance is in very good agreement, lending high confidence in the Joy Typhoon Warning Centre's track forecast, which is laid close to the model consensus. Maximum significant wave height is 25 feet. And that's the latest on Tropical Cyclone Riley. The Bureau of Meteorology continues to update regularly the information on Riley. And sea surface temperature on the screen around 29 degrees Celsius.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.